Welcome into this episode. We are on day number 12. This is a Music City Trader 100-day climb. And we are in profit. Things are going great. I'm hoping that we can just continue that today. Today we're going to be doing $20 trades, and we're going to be only risking about $100. So our risk for this whole day is $100, and I have been doing very well. So I will tell you, today I feel a little nervous. I'm just going to go slow today and just see if I can get some profit. The last couple times I've traded, I've gotten a couple percent, 2.5%, 3%, and I've just stopped there. I felt like, I did good, and I just stopped. And part of controlling emotions is stopping when you're ahead. That's really what I've been working on as I've been doing this. As I get further and further in, once I passed day 10, I felt like, great, I'm in profit. I was well into the 40% profit by day 10, and I was just feeling very strong. But then I get like sort of nervous, like, am I going to lose? I don't know. It just always kind of, emotionally, binary options is a tough game. And that's what I kind of get like emotional, or I think like, I don't know. Am I going to hit bad days? And maybe I will. And it's going to be okay because I've got a plan and I'm working that plan. So we're going to get trading today, making $20 trades, trying to just win a few net trades. I have some great news. For a limited time, you can join the Music City Trader Tribe absolutely free. All you have to do is open your pocket option account using my affiliate link and make your first deposit. You don't have to pay me anything. And when you use my affiliate link, you'll also get a 50% bonus on your first deposit. That's right, pocket option will actually give you 50% more than you deposit. And I'll send you 2 trading strategy ebooks and my latest trading sheets, the ones you see me using every day on my YouTube channel. So don't wait any longer. The tribe membership and the resources I'm sending you today can change everything. You can become a successful binary options trader. And again, when you use my affiliate link, you don't have to pay anything for the ebooks, the trading sheets, and the lifetime access to the Music City Trader Tribe. For detailed instructions and to get my affiliate link, go to musiccitytrader.com and click on Join the Tribe. All right, I'm in. I'm looking at trades. I'm looking for trades. I'm looking for the right position. And this one, I think, might do it. This is something I've been looking at here. And typically now when I'm actually trading and commentating live, I kind of I'm silent a lot, but I cut those silences out as I'm doing my my watching and my thinking. This is in the 5-minute. I think there is a line down here. It did hit that line and it went back up. So as I look in the 30 seconds, as I look in the minute, I would have been okay for a call down there. I just wasn't sure if it was like actually going to do that. I wasn't like 100% sold on that position. I thought, well, it is probably going up, but it's kind of going up and then going back down, going up and down. This one doesn't look like something like, what a great thing. I mean, it's a rising channel kind of, but it's had some problems down here. It's had some problems right down there. So I'm not sure if that's something that I really want to do. I've thought about it and I'm looking at it, and maybe because I see it is pushing down even further. It did touch down here. That would have been the place to do it. In the 5 and 10 minute, it looks kind of flat to me. It doesn't look like it's, and it's underneath the moving average there. So to me, it doesn't, it would have been a great call off the bottom, but I just wasn't sure and didn't want to get myself in trouble. And now I'm not really sure where it's going. So I'm going to look for some different charts, see if I can find some big places. Okay, now this one looks like it could be. It's raised up there a couple times. It's kind of high up there. That's in the 5 minute. Let's look in the 10 minute. It looks like it's got level. The only problem with this one, I find it's got levels here and there. So it could actually go right up and do it, or it could break down anytime. Yeah, it's got a little bit of a touch again. If I get a good break up there. Yep, there we go. Touching there. I'm going to hit that right there. I'm going to pretend that that's going to actually turn. Just a good position. It was a really good RSI touch. I took a 1 minute. So really good RSI touch at a really strong level. That's why I did that. It does have some upper levels right here that could get me in trouble on this trade. We have 35 seconds. It's been in the money. It's pushing again up. Let's see what we got in the 1 minute. See, it almost was an RSI touch in the 1 minute. 25 seconds. If it does hold down, it's strong rejection, but it's also pushing. So this could go either way. It's got 14 seconds. It's kind of, it kind of reached up there. It could go down in 5 seconds here. We're watching it in 10 seconds because it's just wanting to go. Let's watch it. Let's count down. This is a loss. 1,001, 1,002, 1,003. Yeah. And then, does it keep going or not? Let's see. It's flat now. If this does break through in the 1 minute, to me, it wants to turn around, but it's actually stuck. So I'm going to wait on this now. Just going to wait on this. First trade of today would be a loss. It's trying to decide. I don't know what it's going to decide. Let's look at this in 10 seconds. All right, I'm in on this trade. It was kind of a flat breaking RSI. I took a 1 minute call, and now it's tanking. Wow. That is wow down there. That is wow tanking down there. It just turned around. This is a very bad scenario because it really turned hard. I'm not going to double this up right now. I'm going to wait for this to play out. The 10 second, it's on the white line. Let's see. Doubles up. Yeah, I'm going to double it up now at the bottom. Now, that is typically not what I've been doing. If this can squeeze off this white line in 20 seconds, it was a pretty hard rejection. So that's double up 14 seconds. Man, are these charts going to trash me today? They might trash me today. This is going to be a 20 and a 20 and a loss and a loss. Look at that. Unless it jumps back up there. Just really, really, really bad. All right, I'm off this chart. So we're down 3 trades. Okay, 20, 40, 60. We're down 3 trades right now. We're down 3 trades. And I got to kind of regroup, okay, and figure out what I want to do here. All right, I'm back in on this. This broke down under the white line, and I think everything tells me this is gonna go down. Really, after those 3 losses, I'm looking for a win here. We're gonna see if we can get a win on this. Looks like it will bounce down on there. 30 seconds. Oh man, this is going the wrong direction now. I'm gonna take because I do think that it broke that white and it's going to go down. So I'm going to take that trade again up there it'll just even this out. I think it's going back down there. Let's watch this. So that one lost. That was my third? That was my 4th loss actually. That was a double up. And so I shouldn't have doubled that up. But we're going to have to stick with our plan. If we lose this trade, then it'll be a losing day. It will be a losing day if we lose this trade. This looks like it will win. Looks like it's going to win finally. So I doubled up that one trade. I think it is going to go down from here too. So actually, I'm going to take another 1 minute trade here. It's gonna, let's see here. Let's see if we look in the 5 minute. It's on that white line. It's going a little bit down. It's going to hit that line. It looks like it's going to win. So that is going to be a win on that one. And I think it's going to head back down there. So we can probably take another one here. And if it breaks this line right here is what I think it's going to do. It's going to keep going down all the way. So maybe this is where we get some of our money back. Let's see, we won that one. So we were down 4, then we won 1. Looks like we could win that one. That's a 2 minute. Yeah, it's going down. It's going down for sure. It's going to touch down here somewhere. It's going to have a little pullback. I think it's going to go all the way down there. I think it's going to break through. If it breaks through in the 1 minute, yeah, in the 1 minute, it's probably going to go down again. 1 minute 20. It's a little pullback. And then we're going to hit this again for 2 minutes. This is going to be good. I think this is actually going to win. We'll just watch and see. We got a 20 and we got a 20. This is on a downtrend. This will be, when you're looking at 1 minute, there's a little pullback, but that's okay. It left off there. As long as it doesn't come back up here, as long as it's going back down to where it's going. That's why I marked this pink, because I think it's actually going down to the bottom here. But it is tricky. It's acting like it wants to jump back up. We got 40 seconds here. Let's go to the 30-second chart. 40 seconds here. That's okay. It looks like it's going down still. It's got a lot of down pressure. It had some rough waters back here. What's this level right here? Did I miss a level? Maybe this level right here. It's still, it wants to go down. Still can go. 17 seconds. It's got some push. It's fighting. This is in or out. Like, I'm in or out of this. I don't know if this is in or out. This is 9 seconds. There, it's in now. Hold down. It's got 5 seconds left. There it goes. There it goes. And we got 49 seconds on this one, so that's a win. That's a good win right there. Let's see. Hopefully we win this one too, and it continues down all the way. It's kind of fighting. It kind of makes me think I want to take another long trade here to fight down. It is fighting down, and I think if I took like a 3-minute trade from here, it probably would win. Let's go for it. Let's go for it. I'm going to take a 3-minute here. Maybe I should have just doubled that up, but I don't like doubling trades up right now because, if I'm off, I'm off, and I'm not trying to. Let's see, in the 1 minute. So the bottom one is going to lose, it looks like, unless it just flies down there. And then we'll be 14.11. We're well above our stop loss, so that's fine. That one lost. And then we're putting another 20 in here. So long trade. So we'll let it play out and see what happens. All right, I've been watching this one, and luckily it is going my way. I'm thinking about doing a compound here, but maybe I'll just be safe because I don't know if this is going to actually do it. It did win, and so I'm still well above my stop loss. I'm only down about 50. If this goes down and hits under this, I think it could go all the way. It's just hard because this is a line right here. Is it really going to break that line? It hasn't really shown me like strong breakage. It feels like it's going to go back up. So I think I'm going to hold this and just go look for a different one. I'm going to look for a different one. That definitely broke down. And I think this is the one I lost a couple on before. All right, I'm in on this because I was watching in the 10-second. I watched it break that level. I took a short 30-second trade. It was having a hard time in the 10-second breaking under this level. And then it did. It pushed right through. I'm hoping it does do what it's going to do. Look, yeah, it stayed right there for a while. And then in the 10-second, it just broke that level. And that's when I took my trade. And it's got 1 second and it's a win. That's good. That's a win. That's a win. So let's see what we're going to do now. We're 1468. We're kind of pulling our way back up. This one's going to turn around soon. Let's see where we think it's going to turn around. It could turn around now. It's a giant 1 minute candle. It broke through below that level and went down. It's just kind of all mixed up in here. I don't see any great things. Let's look back at this chart. Oh yeah, look at that. It did. It went right down to where I thought it was going to go. And then let's look and see what the 30-second is doing. It looks like it. Let's put a 2 minute on here. Let's put a 1 minute up on there. Yeah. Because it's going to turn back around here. It kind of hit the bottom of that level. That's a level that it hit. I could have got a better, longer trade on this, but if it does retract, it retracts. It'll retract right away here. It'll jump back up, and that'll be another win. So we're just going to keep chipping away, trying to get the wins back. It went down to this level. This is a really, really strong level. So hopefully it does what I think it's going to do. It still looks like it's kind of consolidating on this level. and I think it's going to hit this level and then go back up. That's really where I think it's going, and it does look like it's kind of doing that. So maybe we can win another trade on this. Where's it going to go to? Maybe up here. It's going to maybe go up there. But we only have 12 seconds on this, and it's still kind of getting pullbacky. It's cool, kind of pullbacky. There we go. Let's see. Will this jump back up? I just got like a high position on that. 2, 1, and that's a loss. Look at that. That's a loss. And do you think it's going to pull down from here and really go down, or is that just a trick? I guess we can know if it breaks this and it does a 1 minute RSI breakthrough here. Then I know if it does a 1 minute RSI breakthrough, yep, we're going to take this 1 minute RSI breakthrough. It's got a little there, 30 seconds on there. I think this is a breakthrough, an RSI breakthrough. And if it does, it'll have just enough RSI in 1 minute. It does look like it might want to pull back, but it did jump down there. Will the RSI breakthrough hold in the 1 minute? It does not look like it's going to. It looks like it really just like it just janked on me, like, you know. But it did pull down, and it did pull down. Now it's going to go back up. It's going to test this level. I don't really know because it went all. Did it go down all the way here? It didn't go all the way down there. Yeah, it kind of did. Yeah, it's in a box here. It's in a box, but it's turning around. It went all the way down to a strong level, and so we're gonna go on this. We're gonna go up. I'm gonna play this the way I think it's going. That was a loss. I think that's 2 losses right there. Yeah, I'm gonna play this the way I think it's gonna be. It's at 13.89. Okay, so we're getting down close to our stop loss. We've got to win some trades here. Let's look at the 10 second and see. We got 37 seconds. What do we think? Yeah, it kind of hit down, and I think it's gonna go back up from there. But it's in a kind of a level. It's got a level down here, and it's got a level up there. And I only got 20 seconds left on this trade. It's got a level back here, and it's kind of in a free fall, is what it is. It could jump back up out of this level. It could be going up there. It does look like it might want to. It's at 5 seconds. It's got 5 seconds. It's got 3 seconds. It's got 2. It's got 1, and it lost, and then it just sort of stayed there. It's kind of slow. All right, changing the page on my journal today. Looking for this. We're in. I'm gonna look for some longer positions here. Yeah, because it's really important that right now I get a hold of this and get in profit. I'm at 13.88, so I'm down from where I started at this trading session at 14.94. So very, very close to the stop loss. In fact, if this trade loses, then I will have hit my stop loss, and it will be time to stop. It will be the first time I've hit my stop loss here in the last about 13 sessions, because we're on day number 12. This one is scary. It scares me because it looks like it's going to lose. It looks like it's heading back up. I hope that it pops back down there and gives me a little bit of thing. But I have decided that if I hit my stop loss, because I've had a really hard time stopping, then I will call my wife and I will say, hey, I hit my stop loss. Look at this. It's going down though. Looks like I will trade. Oh, there is a great push down. A great push down, and that'll be a win. So I'm going to keep trading and try to get this into profit. But this is tanking under a big line of pressure, and I think it's going there. It's a RSI breakthrough in the 1 minute. It looks like I got there a little bit late, but that's okay because I'm going to double. I'm going to compound this if it wins, and I think I'm going to do another put here. We'll see. Oh, that looks scary. I've got this running now at 2x speed, so you'll notice if you're watching on YouTube, oh, it's barely a win. And then I'm going to say it's going up from here. That's a gutsy move because it could completely go up, but I thought because it was fighting that it's probably going to go back up from here. It's at a big line. A little bit gutsy because it's not all the way down at the line. It could have gone down to that line right there. It could. but it kind of already did. You can see the little red flag already kind of touched down on that line. So I'm going to do a compound on this and hope that it wins, and I'm going to get some profit hopefully out of this one. So we'll see this. I ran this at 2x speed because these last trades are longer. So as I'm editing this, I'm realizing this is going to be really long. So it's really, that was like a 2-minute trade. Now, I'm not doubling this up. I'm not doing anything against the rules here. I put a $20 trade on there thinking it is going to go up. And so I'm just hoping that it goes up. Now, I'm also way down by my stop loss. So if these two lose, game over. That one wins. That bottom one wins. Perfect. That $38, $38 trade won. And this is looking a little jumpier because it's 2x speed, but I think it's going up. See how it's slowly rising? It's getting higher and higher. The bottoms of it does have bottom wicks, and bottom wicks are kind of dangerous, but the bottom wicks are rising. So this is looking pretty good. I put a $20 on there. I jumped in there when it was kind of low. I'm glad I did that. It's got 20 more seconds, so we're in double speed. So, it's a turnaround. Oh, it's a little pullback, and I think it's still going up. Getting a little bit gutsy with this. Look at that. Oh, it almost lost. Did you see that? It almost lost. It went right down, touched almost on my trade line right before it won. So that's another win. I'm at 1478. 1478 is still not great because I started this at 1494. So I'm not real far away from where I started, and I'm going to do a double up here pretty soon. Oh, that one's a loss. So I'm at 1478. That one's a loss, but I still think this is going to go up. Why? Because I just think it's going up. So I'm going to go ahead and put my call on this. This is my intention line. This is pink. It means I think it's going that way. It's actually going to go back up maybe to the white line, maybe to that line. That's where I think it's going to go, right up there. So I think well, really that is a line that I think it's going to go up to. It didn't break. It broke it a little bit. Look at that. I am gutsy on this. Again, I'm really believing it's going to the white line, and I'm taking my chances here. I'm well above my stop loss. So if these lose, it's nothing dangerous. I am stacking a compound, but this $38 is even shorter than the first. So, and then I have I have a $20 trade right there, and it's stacked up with a 38. The 38 is going to win now. And it's going to be a huge win on that. And it's going to be a huge win on the 20 as well. And so we're going to be into the profit. Actually, we're going to be into the profit on this, and not a ton of profit. It's going to be, it's going to be a profit though. And there you can see it right there on the screen. I'm going to type in, we're at 1532. It's a $38 profit. I'm up 2.54%. I'm up $38. So 2.54% is 1.9 positions. So it's a great win today, a great session, and I'm going to just keep moving forward. Hey, no matter where you are right now in your journey, you can become a profitable binary options trader. All it takes is a simple trading strategy to win trades and the ability to stick with your plan. But it's easier said than done, especially if you're trying to do this alone. But now you don't have to do this alone. Right now, you can go to MusicCityTrader.com and join me in a tribe of dedicated traders. We're on a journey together, and there's room for you today. You'll get all access to the exclusive Trading Tribe app, where you can post your progress, share your wins and losses, learn what's working from other traders, and you'll get exclusive trading sheets, strategy guides, trading journal downloads, and more. You can even participate in my special live trading sessions and even copy my trades right inside Pocket Option using the social trade feature. Go to MusicCityTrader.com and join the Trader Tribe today. Success is within reach, and you're not alone. Click and join today at MusicCityTrader.com.